Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove belly fat and have a slimmer waist and also lose weight. Okay, so this remedy is gonna be like this. Wherever you want to lose weight, you're just gonna concentrate and apply this ingredient on that particular place. Okay, and you're gonna sweat out a whole lot and you're gonna lose weight on that particular place. Okay, so guys, if you want to know what comprises of my weight loss and belly fat reduction remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit the like button below and also hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Guys, please share this video and also click on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. For reduction of weight and belly fat reduction, we're going to be needing 100% aloe vera gel. Okay, so this is actually going to help us to aid the procedure and all that ingredient to get into the skin to remove all unwanted belly fat and reduce excessive weight. Okay, now the first one, we're just going to be taking aloe vera. So you're going to be taking about 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, okay, or 2, depending. And the next ingredient we're going to be needing so much will be garlic powder. Alright, so the thing is that if you can't buy garlic powder, you have to dry fresh garlic and then you blend it. Okay, so when you blend it, you're gonna have something like this, which is garlic powder. Alright, so garlic powder is just gonna help us so much in removing belly fats externally, because we're gonna be making this ingredient on the belly part where you have excessive fat in your belly. So the next one, we're going to be also taking half tablespoon of garlic powder, and alongside we're going to be needing aboniki. This is the key ingredient in which we need so much to get rid of belly fat externally, and this is just going to help us in removing all unwanted fat and all saturated fat and stubborn fat. This is just going to be done externally, so it's just going to make us sweat a whole lot and the fat is going to be gone. And for the aboniki balm, we'll be needing some pinch of that, so we're going to be taking half teaspoon of that. Then the next one we're going to be needing is Vaseline. Now this is just going to aid the smoothness of the skin, so as when we apply the treatment, we're going to have a smooth skin when we get rid of it. Okay, and also for the Vaseline, this is just going to aid so much, and we're going to be taking just a pinch of the Vaseline. Okay, and the last one we're going to be needing will be ginger powder. As well as we need the garlic powder, we also need the ginger powder, just because it's going to be very ideal in getting rid of belly fat. Okay, so let's do this. Then we're going to be taking half tablespoon of ginger, now after all that is done, we're going to mix this and mix it really well. Now we need a thick consistency dough so that it's just going to be working really good on the skin. Alright, alright, so after you've successfully mixed all of the ingredients together, then you would have to take the ingredients and apply it on your belly fat or your arm fat or your anywhere you have fat that you actually just want to get rid of externally. Okay, then you apply this on that part. Okay, now what this does is that it's just going to make you sweat so well. Okay, gonna make you sweat so well, and then the fat will be gone. Now after you've applied this generously onto your belly, so after that is done, you have to get a clip-in, and then you have to spread that through your tummy, and you must make sure that you make it very tight. Okay, let it be very tight. Alright, so that it could do the job for you very well. Alright, so after you've done that, you can massage this. Okay, now you're going to be experiencing some heat going on at your tummy area, like it's going to be really hot around that side. Like if you try this, you're going to testify and let me know how it's going to be. Then you're going to hold this for about 30 to 40 minutes on your tummy. Okay, or if you're having arm fats, okay, if you want to get rid of fat anywhere or around this place, you can wrap it through, and then you have to let it sit there. Now the things that you're going to sweat so well. Okay, you're going to sweat, so when you begin to sweat very well, then you can untie yourself, and when you're tying it, you have to make sure it's very tight so there won't be any chance for air to get in. Okay, so after 30 to 40 minutes, then you can unwrap yourself, and now the thing is that it's just going to be hot while this is covered. Okay, so when it's hot, you know that it is actually and quite normal. That is actually how it works. Okay, so when you're done, you can unwrap it. Okay, and then you're gonna be sweating really much. Then you clean it up. Okay, you clean the excess product off your skin. Now I would recommend you just wipe this off and clean it off with a towel, because when you wash it off, it's just the heat is gonna increase on your skin. But if you want to know how that is, you can go wash it off. You're gonna notice that the heat of this is just going to increase so well, as if it's just going to burn off your tummy, and that is how it does work. Okay, so the thing is that you can actually store this, or you just make a new one whenever you want to apply it. You can do that once in a day for a couple of weeks, and there you go. It's just going to work wonders in reducing your waistline and removing belly fat and general body weight. Okay, so guys, those are the way in which you're just going to remove belly fat at a particular place, without wasting of time. You are gonna sweat a whole lot just on that particular point where you apply this stuff, and it's just gonna be so great. Okay, it's something you can manage. If you have fat here, you just rub it there, and you wrap it up, and then you sweat all of the fat off, and you're good to go. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and share this video, please, and also tap on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me questions, please do that on my website. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye guys, and